Hey guys, welcome to the Alpha Tech World channel. In this video, I'll show you where to find newly created and launched memecoins on a decentralized exchange. Newly created memecoins can be a great investment opportunity for exponential gains with just a small amount of money. Despite the significant risks involved, finding the right memecoin could be your chance to turn less than $10 into thousands of dollars within hours or a few days. But knowing where to find these newly created and launched memecoins is the first step in this journey. So, let's get into it. To find these memecoins, I use the platform Dex Screener. On this platform, you can apply filters to eliminate options you're not interested in. By adjusting the filters, you can access only tokens that were recently launched. In other words, you can check the age of the token, or rather, the pair that was added, and see this information immediately. Then, you can click on each active pair, review the token, or memecoin, and decide whether or not it's a good project to invest in. On the list of newly created pairs, you'll notice that some might be in the green, profitable, while others might be in the red, losing value. This will depend on the timing and the market conditions, so understanding these patterns is crucial. Additionally, in the next video, I'll explain how to avoid getting rugged and how to identify memecoins created solely to scam investors. This video was intentionally basic and aimed at beginners. I genuinely believe that Dex Screener is the best option for newcomers for numerous reasons. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, guys.